some backend first. This is the. I think anyone should be familiar. Sorry, I think anyone should be familiar with this Facebook page. It's named NUS Confessions. It has an amazing number of likes. It's 26,000. However, do you know how many students we have in NUS today? I just checked the number on the NUS official website. We have 26,000 NUS full-time undergraduate students. However, the number of the likes of this NUS Confession Facebook is 26,000 as well. So it's an amazing number. So I think you may be curious why so many students subscribe this web page. This is the introduction of the NUS Confessions. It is because this platform provide a way that every NUS students can see tell a story to every NUS students anonymously. So that's an awesome idea. This website just was built 1.5 years ago, but it has accumulated 26,000 number of subscribers. So that's amazing. What is the feature attract most of the subscribers to like this web page? It's because they provide a channel that everyone can freely and anonymously see a story to every NUS students. So because of this channel, everyone can hear your voice. It sounds good, right? But it's absolutely not enough. That's why we built my application. It's NUSecret. We expect that everyone can have a way to tell their stories. And everyone can freely see everything to NUS. We have five parts in our application. The first one is news. Second one, top charts, new posts, notifications, and me. I will introduce them one by one. The first one is the NUSecrets. Here you can see the latest anonymous secrets or stories the others just post. If you think some secrets or stories interest you, you can subscribe the notification of the secrets. If anyone comment on this post, the system will push the notification to you. Thirdly, if you think some stories or secrets is inappropriate or impertinent, you can report. If the number of the report reach the default number, the system will automatically delete it. Next is one of the most important part is about comment. Because the NUS Confessions is built on the Facebook webpage, so the user is real name. The creator of the post cannot comment as the creator, and other one are not very willing to comment on this post because they may be expose their identities. So on our application, any comment and replies is anonymous. You can see the words host, that means the creator, that represent the creator, and me represent ourselves. The different number represent the different users, and the color is random. Next is top charts. Our application will sort the secrets by different way. There are three categories. They are today, last week, and all respectively. The secrets are sorted by the number of likes and dislikes. So anyone logging this application can see what are the hot things in NUS. So next, we expect to everyone can freely speak. So if you have an idea, you want to share stories, you can create a new post. If you think you may want to attach a picture to your post to make the story or secrets more interesting, you can do it. Next is the notification box. The notification box is for you to let the notifications. the notification of the secrets you just subscribe. Any other, if any other one comment or you reply your post, you will receive the notification as well. The last thing is Mailbox. The Mailbox is for you to check your stories or secrets, and you can see what influence your stories make to NUS students. Why we build this application? There are 3 points. Firstly, we want students can have a channel to freely speak, and other students can hear your voice. The secondly is students can have more topics to communicate with each other. They may help people to build connections. Thirdly, people can care more for NUS, what happened in NUS, and love NUS. What is next step of our application? If possible, we would like to implement the location feature, such as every secrets or stories will have a location, so the students can see which area this post happened. The secondly is we would like to classify the secrets and then stories based on the schools or faculties. The thirdly is we would like to extend these applications to cover more users, such as the students from GCS, Polis, or other universities. Yeah, that's all about our application. Thank you. Now, would you like to try my application? Yeah, that's our application, NUSecret. As I just see, you can see the latest stories or secrets others just post. Like if you think this one is interesting, you can subscribe the notification or report if it's not appropriate. Also, you can like or dislike it. This is the comment page. So that means this comment is created by the creator of this post. The 1, 2 means that represent 2 different users. Like if you want to reply this user, you just touch there, and you can reply him. Also, you can share with your friends. Here is the top chart. The top chart is for you to see what is the most popular secret. And if you have something you want to share with others, you can create a new post or attach a photo. Yeah, here is the notification box. And the me box, here you can see the number of up, down, and comment. You can see how many people like or dislike your secrets, what the influence this post make. Yeah, thank you. Do you have any questions?
Yes, thank you for your presentation. I wanted to find the connection between the website which you showed inside. Do you own that website?
No, I don't.
Okay, you're just drawing a parallel to it, that
Yeah.
you're creating an app for something like NUSecret compared to that.
Yes.
Okay. Is this app available already?
We have not uploaded it to the App Store.
Okay, all right. And what is your, I mean, you wrote down a couple of things like the love of NUS and things like that. And those are the reason why you created this app.
Yeah.
Is there any commercial or financial advantage for you to do so? Are you looking to make money for this?
Actually, currently I don't consider this. I just want to provide a way that everyone can freely speak. That's my why I create. If in the future it's possible, I could think it, but now I have not.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
I have few questions.
Yeah.
How do you manage to do those anonymous posts and not showing to anyone? Like, do the register users with the ID, or how do they register?
Oh, actually, they log in this application with Facebook, but we never post to users' Facebook. Everything on this application is anonymous.
Okay, so I understand that someone is, say, I am a Senthamil, which means that I use Facebook to log in and comment and post. So you know that I am doing all this.
Yeah, this is a good question. I know this. That's also why I don't use FVLE to log in, because FVLE is more academic. People logging use FVLE may think they could make something not good. Also, we are considering whether we should use Facebook. If we have if we have better choice, we could change it.
Okay, so currently now is the Facebook login you are supporting. So you know everything about what everyone is doing, which means that the server saves the information of the user.
Actually, we use Facebook login just for create a new user. We never download the user's information.
Yeah, you don't download the information, but the Facebook user ID is tied to your local ID.
Yeah.
Okay, so you know who is posting what.
Yeah, we know the ID of the Facebook, but we don't have the information of like user's name or user's gender or anything else.
Okay, so one other question is like the future addition you're planning to add locations and subsequent other details as well. So do you think those information can narrow down to a particular person?
Sorry, can...
The future, you have an upgrade path saying that you planning to have a location, faculty or some categories or some detailed information. So that would eliminate your anonymous posts somehow, right? So do you think that would affect your whole process of anonymous post?
Because everything on our application is anonymous, so you cannot see which post, how many posts are created by the same user. So I think if you just see one post, you cannot know which person it is.
So at least by the location or by the faculty category, you can somehow know who's doing what, correct? So
you mean some user can identify this person by this way, right?
Yeah, based on the location.
Actually, I don't think so, because every post is individual, is independent. So you cannot by access to one post to identify this person. So I think this works.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Do you know the process, the current process of how, like NUS confessions page, how does it work?
Yes, I know. There is a website. You can access to the website. It's Google Docs. It's a Google survey. You go to the website, you post something, then the system will automatically create a new post on the Facebook.
Yes, so there is no login, no nothing, and the system itself is
actually,
by in nature doesn't keep any record of anything about you. Keeping it anonymous end to end. However, your system, it's not fundamentally anonymous.
Yeah, actually we use Facebook to log in because we have one more idea. We consider that we could have more functionalities in the future. So that's why we use Facebook to log in. It requires a login to, we may want to implement more interesting functionalities in the future.
How about in terms of your competitors? Is there any other competitors out there? Not competitors, but similar products out there?
Yeah, I know a similar product is named NUSecret, but it's not the same. The NUSecret is focused on the secrets between friends, but ours is focused on the university.
So what's the difference?
Oh, the difference is on the secrets. You know, the all posts are created by your friends, but our application is different. The secret post is by anyone in US. It may not be your friends, but you can know what happened in US. That's different.
Does it have to be like in NUS? Let's say, for example, not in NUS, right? I can just log in and just assume.
Yeah, sure. You can, if you are not NUS students, you can log in. But you may not interested in what happened in NUS because you are NUS students. So those happen around you. Then you are interested in them. If you are not NUS students, you may not care for them.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.